Here's how to strap a shoulder to prevent anterior dislocation. Hey guys, Ryan from Quay Health. Today we're going to be talking about strapping your shoulder. The reason we want to strap a shoulder is if you're coming back from a shoulder dislocation, a shoulder subluxation, or even if you do know that you do have an unstable shoulder and have had a couple of near misses, this technique is going to help prevent anterior dislocation. Anterior dislocation is the most common dislocation with shoulders, and it's when our shoulders put out into this unstable Faber range like this. Once it's put out there, all it takes is a little bit of force and it can actually come out and be dislocated. Okay, so we've got Abby here, she's going to be our model for the day. We're going to go through some taping. We're going to be using two types of tape. The first one's like a hypoallergic tape. It's like an underwrap, so we're going to stick that on first just to stop irritation. The second one we're going to use is a brown rigid tape, which is just here, that we're going to be putting on as well. So the first part you want to do is you want to get the person holding on to their side like that and just tensing up the guns. And you do it tensing up just to make sure that doesn't constrict on their bicep. Then you're going to do the exact same, just overlap it by a little bit, by about 50% there. So that'll be your first anchor. The second anchor comes just up the top here. So you're just going to pull down the bra there and move across. So if you find the bump part of the shoulder at the top here, basically what you want to do is you want to apply from just down on the chest to over on the back there like that. So you do again, you're going to do two of those. So that's your underwrap part. From there, you're basically going to get your rigid tape and you're going to make a bit of a Union Jack across their shoulder. This is going to hold your shoulder in place and prevent that kind of Faber position that we're trying to prevent. So basically, pull up a long strip of tape. And you're going to start from over here, and you're going to draw across, so right across the body, up and under, and connect through there. Then you're going to do the opposite. And you're just going to aim to do that about 3 times on each side. Depends on the sport that you're kind of playing. If you're playing a high impact sport like rugby league, you might want to go around 4 times. If you're playing a sport that you need a little bit more mobility, you might want to just go over 1 to 2 times. And you see, as I'm doing it, you're just kind of trying to overlap it by about 50% as you do it. Just over the top there like that. And we're just going to go for one more. The other thing that you can do as well, if you want it to really stick down for high impact sports, is you can do a wrap around the body. I'm just going to demo over the bra strap, but usually you would actually take the bra strap off and do it. So you just come across here, and you do one across, and then you go the whole way around, and then lift the arm up there, and come around here. And then if you just come around the back, you can see that we've got a little strip going across the back there as well. then just to lock it all off, start with your brown tape again and just do 2 little strips. So that way if you're playing sport, if you're sweating, the shoulder tape's not going to fall off. And as you can see, if we move it back into that unstable range, it's very much restricted from going into that unstable range. If you've dislocated your shoulder before, it greatly increases the chance of you dislocating your shoulder again. So if you are going to do any sports or activities, better to tape your shoulder up before you're doing the sports and activities to ensure that you reduce the chance of you dislocating or subluxing your shoulder.